Hi, I'm Ross, self-proclaimed Chief Innovation Officer at Caboose Co. Just going to take you through a little video of how to build the Maverick. Right, most important thing, get your base level. So you've got two functions: the pin with the 4 different heights, and then you've got the screw, lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. Simples. Adjustment of the bolts, 2 tools, Allen key, an adjustable screwdriver, which interestingly the Germans call an Englander. No idea why. Spot on, love it. So it's very important, so spot on, just to make sure that you've got the base spot on. Now we've got a nice level base, the next stage is to put the posts in. So really simple, this is the right rear, which is judged from where the front door is. Just slide them down, clip it into place, and on to the next one. As you're putting the posts in, you just want to make sure you've got a nice snug fit, seal, and then clip it into place. Here's one we prepared earlier, and then you just slide it down all the way into place. Little tip just to make sure that we've got a nice seal here, is just to really tighten those onto each other. So now we've got all 4 posts in and all 4 walls. The lid is really a 4-person job. You can do it with 2, and what we're going to do is show you how we do it with 2 people. With 4 people, obviously, there's 1 on each corner, and it's simple. You can just drop it down. With 2, you have to do one side and then the other. Okay, so we've lifted it up. We've got the 2 sides on, and we're just going to go over the other side and get the other bits. So just lift it up, push it straight in. So just a way to check that, make sure it's all connected properly. So in the socket, and you can just pull it down, and you can wobble it, and it also helps you with the alignment. And then when you're finished, you just pop the little mushroom cap on, stop the water getting down there. This front panel is where all the magic is. We've got its own safe and secure lock, so you can go away. We've got the mechanical ventilation with a vent at the back, so we've got the cross ventilation to keep the thing well ventilated. And then inside, in behind here, we've got our electric panel, which has got your fan and your light. Super simple, easily replaceable, this entire panel, should anything go wrong, but obviously we hope not. So we're up off the ground, waterproof, windproof,